I was exhausted from lifting heavy weights every single day and forcing myself to eat more and more, but nothing seemed to work. My body wasn't changing, and I wasn't gaining weight. Even my mom used to tell me, "Why are you working so hard when you're not seeing any results?" Then one day, my best friend came over to my house. Just 3 months earlier, he was even skinnier than me, but now he looked completely different. His face looked fuller, his arms were bigger, his chest had grown, and his back looked incredibly wide. I was shocked and immediately asked him, "How did you do this?" He laughed, apologized for teasing me about the gym, and said, "If the gym isn't giving you results, why keep wasting your time?" Let me show you 3 simple home exercises that helped me transform, along with 3 foods that made it much easier to gain healthy weight and build muscle. The first exercise he showed me was push-ups. Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises because they train your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core at the same time. They also improve upper body strength, stability, posture, and muscular endurance without needing any equipment. If performed consistently, push-ups help build muscle, burn calories, and make everyday tasks like pushing or lifting objects easier. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, tighten your core, and lower your chest until it's close to the floor before pushing back up. 3. Common mistakes. 1. Don't let your hips sag or rise too high. Your body should stay in one straight line. 2. Don't flare your elbows out too wide. Keep them around 45 degrees from your body to reduce shoulder stress. 3. Don't do half reps. Lower your chest properly and fully extend your arms at the top for the best results. Number 2. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are one of the most effective exercises for building a strong back, wider lats, biceps, forearms, and grip strength. They also improve posture, upper body pulling power, and overall functional fitness. Since you're lifting your own body weight, pull-ups help develop real strength and muscle control. Grab the bar firmly, engage your core, pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar, then lower yourself slowly under control. Consistency and proper technique matter more than doing many repetitions. 3. Common mistakes. 1. Don't swing your body or use momentum. Perform each rep in a controlled manner. 2. Don't shrug your shoulders toward your ears. Keep your shoulders engaged and down. 3. Don't drop too quickly. Lower yourself slowly to maintain muscle tension and reduce injury risk. Number 3. Bodyweight squats. Bodyweight squats are one of the best lower body exercises for strengthening your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, and core. They improve balance, mobility, flexibility, and leg endurance while helping you move better in daily life. Squats also prepare your body for more advanced leg exercises and reduce the risk of injury by improving joint stability. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, keep your chest up, push your hips back, bend your knees, and lower until your thighs are at least parallel to the floor. Then stand back up by pushing through your heels. 3. Common mistakes. 1. Don't let your knees collapse inward. Keep them aligned with your toes. 2. Don't lift your heels off the floor. Keep your feet planted for better balance and power. 3. Don't round your back. Keep your chest up and spine neutral throughout the movement. And here's the only 3 foods you must add in your diet. These 3 foods can make a huge difference when combined with proper strength training and a calorie surplus. First, peanut butter is packed with healthy fats, protein, and calories, making it one of the easiest foods to add to your diet. Second, a banana and full cream milkshake is a powerful high-calorie drink that fuels your body and supports healthy weight gain. Third, dry fruits like dates, raisins, and almonds are loaded with calories and nutrients, so even a small handful can help you eat more without feeling too full. Remember, no single food can magically make you gain 10 to 15 kilograms in just 3 months. The real key is eating more calories than you burn every day, getting enough protein, and staying consistent with your workouts. That's how you build healthy weight and muscle instead of just gaining fat. Follow for more fitness tips and comment GAIN if you want a complete weight gain diet plan.